Hi all of you, this is a strategy video for you, how to prepare for geography optional for UPSC. And overall, what should the approach be so that you can write well, score great marks, and how can you go about planning your months with geography optional. And before I start off, let me tell this to you, geography ऐसा optional है which anybody can take. It's not required कि आप सिर्फ humanities के हैं. This can be taken by humanities, by science students, and it's a very, very popular subject for engineering students. जैसे कि you talk about history or political science or subjects like sociology, geography का अच्छा blend है. Bit of science, bit of humanities. और science भी कैसा? I think basic school level science. Wave force, momentum, gravity, velocity. Okay, उतना काफी होता है. And even if you do not know that much of science, you've forgotten it, doesn't matter. People with completely zero background of science, even they can manage. So geography has a very good blend. In fact, a lot of toppers for a long, long time have been with geography optional, and even to score good in GS, you need geography understanding, जो कि optional आपको दे देता है. When I'm talking about geography as a subject, let me tell you, of all the subjects you have in the GS, the best overlap is the geography. In fact, look at GS, जहां पर आपको 4 पेपर पढ़ने होते हैं, and 4 पेपर में you have approximately 9 subjects to cover. Geography, history, polity, economy, environment, science and tech, topics around disaster management. अगर आप सारा ऐड कर लेंगे, it's a huge amount of area. In fact, no other subject, no other optional covers those topics like geography can do. Paper 1 में geography तो है ही, उसके अलावा paper 1 has topics of society. Paper 2 has geography related social justice issues, IR issues, international relations. It also has topics of governance, जिसमें कि geographical principles you can apply in population, in tribal studies, in women issues, in topics of imbalances and poverty, inequalities. ये सारे geography linked topics हैं. Geography has a topic called as planning and development. Most of us have a very wrong idea about geography. Geography is only about landforms. ऐसा नहीं है. Geography is a huge applied area. In fact, a lot of planning for the country, for infrastructure, for agriculture is done by geographers. For urban planning, for example, geography is a very important role. So with planning applied aspect in geography, geography has relevance in social development, social justice issues. Or paper 3 में, economy is good 20-30% geography. Agriculture, industries, trade, transport, infrastructure, ये सारे link geography हैं. Environment पूरा geography है, and so disaster management. Cyclones, earthquakes, landslides, ये geography linked है. But इससे अच्छा impact होता है geography का essays paper में. I am an essays teacher, and with the geography background, the kind of diverse knowledge I have acquired across different topics helps me enrich my content of essays also. And the marks की बात हो रही है, let me tell this to you, that one of the highest scoring subjects, average marks, last year geography था. ये 24 के यूपीएससी आंकड़े बताती हैं. ज्योग्राफी में एवरेज मार्क वाज 287, वेरी क्लोज टू 289 एंड 290, जैसे टेबल बता रहा है, फॉर सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक मैथमेटिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री आल्सो. व्हाई? बिकॉज इसका एक रीजन है. ज्योग्राफी इज नॉट वेरी वेग एंड इट इज नॉट फिलोसॉफिकल. ज्योग्राफी इज नॉट सब्जेक्टिव लाइक some of the other subjects of humanities. In fact, lot of my students, I am thankful for that, to having been part of the journey, be it Deepta Rohila, or we have Anjali Shrotoya, or we have Preksha, we have Shubham. Shubham ने qualified geography पहले attempt में ही qualify किया था. उसका reason है because इसमें एक approach अगर ठीक है आपका, you can get good marks and qualify. So what is the mantra here? कैसे mantra है prepare करने का strategy है? First is, and it's not for geography in general also, preparation 2-3 phase में किया जाता है. You don't expect कि you can master everything in one go. First phase is what I call as the build phase, where you spend 4-5 months, 6 months knowing your base, the syllabus, the concepts, make proper notes, make proper summaries. Then comes a mastery phase, जिसमें कि you actually write down answers, you try to link topics, you practice writing skills, you read some books beyond the regular notes. And third is what I call as the ranker's leap, जो आपका prelims और mains के बाद में तो 2-2.5 महीना होता है. Okay, that's a very critical part when you must only practice and revise. You must not leave anything for prelims के बाद में नया पढ़ने के लिए. You revise, you will get that kind of marks. So for your preparation, जो approach है, Okay, if you see this table here, I have divided geography preparation under 4 blocks. Block 1 is the physical geography. इसमें geomorphology, climate, landforms, environment, even India physical आ जाता है, and about 2 to 3 hours a day. ये आपका ब्लॉक ए हो जाएगा. ब्लॉक ए बहुत अहमियत रखता है इवन फॉर द जीएस. लैंडफॉर्म्स, ओशंस, क्लाइमेट, इंडिया फिजिकल बहुत कम आ जाएगा आपको जीएस में. एक ब्लॉक बी है which has population, settlement and a topic of geography philosophy called as geographical thought. Last couple of years में there have not been too many questions from geographical thought, but population, settlements easily give you 5 to 6 questions every year. And it's a very nice structured content. ये आपका 2 bigger chunk है. ये दोनों मिला के approximately 140 odd days होता है. And the third block is an applied block, जिसमें कि डेवलपमेंट प्लानिंग, एग्रीकल्चर, इंडस्ट्रीज, रूरल डेवलपमेंट, टॉपिक्स रिलेटेड टू लैंड इश्यूज, वाटर इश्यूज, ये अप्लाइड पार्ट है. इट टेक्स अबाउट 20 और 25 odd days होता है. एंड फाइनली less than 10 days, 6-7 days approximately, we cover up topics called as political geography and some miscellaneous topics. In fact, it won't even take you 5-6 days. It can take you 2 or 3 days, that's it. कुल मिला के the time required for geography preparation is approximately about 150 odd days, which if you leave Sundays, you require about 5 to 6 months. ये तो है अगर आप हर दिन 2-2.5-3 घंटा कर रहे हो. In some days you can accelerate it. You can study 6-7 hours. On some days, your geography can be done even earlier. This is completion of your foundation and mastery. बस एक चीज याद रहे that to master the subjects and the content, you need to do 3 things. One is syllabus completion with notes with proper writing summaries. Second is keep studying with the PYQs at hand. अब तो हर जगह और हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में, हमारे वेबसाइट में भी you'll have the entire bank of the PYQs. Keep mapping your study with the PYQs, the previous year's questions. And whatever you can solve, we also provide model answers. Master with PYQs. And third, एक बहुत important step है, which I recommend for those aiming for really good scores, study with certain books. There are 7-8 books, और वो भी हर पेज नहीं पढ़ना है. The select areas, there are select topics which you should study. If you ever take our study material or our notes or even class में, हम ये pages आपका mark करवा देते हैं. Not every page, not every paragraph, certain sections. You study with the textbooks, you'll have good mastery. And then, how to score that kind of 290-300 marks. The toppers who get very good marks, they do 3-4 things. One is, they are very good in using geographical concepts. Even general topics जो होते हैं, there are certain geographical terms, geographical terminologies, jargons हैं. वो आप अगर use करें, it gives a geography flavor. To do that, one. Second is, use case studies, examples. Geography is all about places, locations, maps. तो आप कुछ भी लिखें, write with map. They talk about water issues, draw the map of groundwater regions of UP. Talk about landslides and environment problems, draw the map of Uttarakhand, locations, Joshimath, okay, show Tehri, show Dhauli Ganga. If we talk about urban floods, show the map of India, जहाँ पर Delhi, Bangalore, draw a small map of Bangalore with some lakes maybe. That gives you control on the regional setting of whatever is being asked. And we support you with 50-60 such case studies. You can apply them across topics. And third thing you should do is interlinking of topics. जो topics पूछे जाते हैं, they require some understanding across units. अगर agriculture पूछ रहा है, link that with monsoons, link that with land issues, link with water issues, link agriculture with rural development, poverty issues, problems of income. जब लिंक करोगे, your answer becomes very, very coherent to the questions asked. और ये linkages में current affairs भी आ जाती हैं. In fact, with geography, a good amount of current affairs भी आपका control में हो जाएगा. So if you can have proper syllabus completion with some amount of jargon application, case studies, and writing with interlinkages of topics will give you very good marks. This is a strategy. So memorize करना बहुत important है. PYQs को master करना बहुत important है. And you need to also understand the basic terminologies, jargons. All of this together, ये जो 290 plus वाला score is very much achievable. I'll be happy if you reach out to us, talk to us, write to us. You can sit with me and take a quick session on counseling. I'll guide you on what you must do to prepare with geography. एक important part of your preparation in geography, good scoring is maps. ये पेपर 2 में इंडिया मैप्स कंपल्सरी आते हैं एंड ये मैप्स इज एक्चुअली एडवांटेज फॉर यू. जस्ट इमेजिन दिस, अगर यू गेट ए क्वेश्चन विच इज वर्थ 20-30 मार्क्स which can be done probably in about 6, 7, 10 minutes. It's much better than writing for 15-20 minutes. ये marks vary करते हैं. There was a time when maths was as high as 60 marks. Now they ask about 10-15 marks के math पूछते हैं. About 10 odd entries होते हैं. In which even if you get 7 entries right with good location and writing, okay, you will get very good marks, as good as approximately 60-70% marks मिल जाते हैं in this. So 10 या 15 मार्क्स से 7 से 10 मार्क्स स्कोर करना मुश्किल नहीं है. एंड फॉर मैथ्स आई रिकमेंड प्लीज स्टडी अंडर सम गाइडेंस. There are videos that I have posted on the YouTube, good about 20-30 videos हैं, where I've sat down and helped you mark the places with some writings also. उतना काफी होता है. Don't go beyond that. Beyond that you can't handle the topic of maths. With this, my wishes to you. I hope you all do well, qualify with geography optional, and we're always there to support you if you want any kind of guidance. Shabbir from Educate.